Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, you need to hold your device's screen and click on Themes at the bottom, or go into Settings and click on Themes there. Either way, after accessing Galaxy Themes, click on Themes at the bottom left corner. Then click on the best one for you. Tap on one of those options, or click on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. Then tap on the best theme for you. Select Download at the bottom and hit Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my Samsung has changed. In order to go back to your default one, access Themes again, but this time click on Menu at the bottom right corner. Then hit My Stuff at the top, select your default theme and tap Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!